Hi guys! Today we're reviewing ang napakagandang Porometesto MT-03 Digital Multimeter. If you're into electronics, troubleshooting, or DIY project, this tool might be perfect para sa inyo. Ang Porometesto MT-03 ay may clear LCD display na super easy basahin. Meron itong auto-ranging feature kaya kahit beginner ka, madali siyang gamitin. Bukod pa dyan, may temperature measurement din siya. Super handy, right? Kasama sa package ang manual, protective case at may cable for testing. Napaka-versatile nitong multimeter and the design is sleek and durable. So if you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly multimeter, go for the Porometesto MT-03. Worth it talaga siya for hobbyists and professionals alike. Don't forget to comment kung may tanong kayo and follow for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching.